Gonna go find our rooms. Ooh.
Get the banana if you're hungry.
These look really cool.
Pew, pew, pew,
Pew, pew, pew, pew.
Hello.
This is Jake and I's room.
We're gonna look inside it.
All right, here's our room.
So nice.
Oh,
Hey,
how fun. Oh,
Oh, that's cool.
nice.
Oh, yeah, we got
Out on the deck. Wow.
Wow.
That looks like that's a pull down bed. Ooh.
I like this one.
This is amazing. What's in there?
A bathtub and a dishwasher.
A bathtub and a dishwasher. Let me see. Oh, let me see. Oh, very fancy bathtub and dishwasher.
Oh, look,
Oh, this is such a cute shower.
these are tickets for.
Some fun spa stuff. Oh, look, there's Mickey on the towels. Looks like these are
Go to the bathroom.
cupboards. Okay, well, let's check it out. I think the bathroom's right here. All yours, girlfriend.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, hey!
Neighbors!
Hi! Just got back to our room. And how cute. They made a fun shape. What was it? Oh, it's a snail. That's so cute. And Disney Cruise chocolates. The schedule for tomorrow. It just blows my mind how this room converts to sleep 5. It's so cool.